Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will talk about the if exists and SQL exists and what the difference between those two commands. So if exists used to test my query or it's used for existing data using a simple query. I'm going to give an example of how to use if exist and how you will test your records, and based on that based on the result you will going to perform some activities or some execution to your data. So and then I will go give an example for the exists SQL exist. Let's start with if exist exists first. So I have a table called students. Let's see what's in that table. This is the table called students. Okay, so I will see, let me do something here. I will check, uh, let's see if someone called like tree. Let's see, call someone like Filipe. Filipe is not here. So I will going to say, hey, if Filipe is there, I want you to update his student class. If it's not there, I want you to insert data to that table. So the query is going to be like this. The script is we will start with say if exists, and we will start to open the parentheses, select everything from students where student name equal Filipe. So I know Filipe is not here. So this is where I am going to test or uh, filter my query or test my records. I'm asking if exists Filipe in this table. What I want to is to update students set uh, student class equal like junior, because Felipe is in junior class if he's there. Else, this is where like push it a little bit. Else, mm, else, let me see. If Felipe is there, I wanted to update it. If it's not there, I wanted to insert into students, student name, student class, student rank, and test score and date of birth. The values, the first one, it's Felipe because this is the student that I am looking for, and the class is junior, and the rank will be 5, and the test score is 95. Date of birth, let's say it's 5 2001 11, sorry, 1. Okay, so I am going here to check if Filipe here, if it exists, I need you only to update for me the student class for me, whether is he's like freshman or semaphore. So I need you to change it on to junior. If it's not there, I need you to insert these records of the Filipe to my table and will be added. Now I have only 16 students or records, and let's see. Cannot insert the null value into student ID. Okay, cause student ID, I thought I have identity, so I will say student ID here and 17. Let's execute it again and see. Something wrong with comma right here. I have 2 commas. You know, guys, it's good to getting errors, so you'll learn more. And now there are a few columns in insert statement. And their values clause the number of the. Okay, here it says I have 1, 2, 3. Oh, the student name, it's not there. Student name. Now, I hope, because he says that the columns that you are specified, they are not matching with the values. So make sure they are matching. Now let's see if there is any error. Okay, now it says 1 record has been affected. Everything goes well. Philip is here. All right, it goes to the second condition. Why? Because from the beginning, I don't have Filipe in my list. And I said, if Filipe there, I needed to update. If it's not there, else I needed to insert. So what it did, it's inserting data to Filipe. So this is the if exists. So you have like either or. Let's go to SQL exists. Here, SQL exists. SQL exists. It's used to filter my query along with a where clause. It's not coming at the at the beginning of my script. It's coming in a where clause. I'm going to show you how we will going to use it. I will say, for example, select everything from students. Okay. Uh, Let me see where. Oops. Where exists. Now I have here my subquery. I will say select everything from students where student name, or let's say student ID, equal to, if we say 18, I will get a null value. Let me do it like this. Why? Because I said I needed to select everything from students where exists. Select everything from students where student ID 18, which I don't have the 18 here. So I will, as long as my condition is returned with a false, so this query is not gonna executed. See, this is a null value. But if I say 17 or any number that less than 17, all the records See, it's returned to me. So as long as the condition it's returned with a true, this query will be executed. If this record it's returned with a false, this script is not going to be executed. You can use like update, insert, anything here. You can say insert into students where like exists, or update my student name, like let's say Larry, where name is equal to Larry. So this is how we guys using the if exists and exist. I will copy this script both in the description so you can guys using it. Thank you for watching my video, and see you for next videos.